Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to export organic fertilizer step by step. First, thoroughly research your target markets to understand their demand and specific import regulations. You will need to obtain essential business registrations and an import-export code. Crucially, secure organic certification for your product, ensuring it meets international standards like USDA Organic or EU Organic. Finally, always comply with the destination country's unique labeling and packaging requirements to avoid delays. Next, focus on your product and the critical paperwork. Ensure your organic fertilizer consistently meets the importing country's quality standards. Prepare detailed commercial invoices, packing lists, and certificates of origin. You will also need a phytosanitary certificate and a transaction certificate to verify organic status. Double-check that all documents are accurate, complete, and translated into any required languages for smooth customs processing. Now, let's talk about getting your product moving. Choose a reliable freight forwarder with experience in agricultural products. Select the most appropriate shipping method, such as sea or land freight, especially for bulk shipments which often use cargo ships. Ensure your organic fertilizer is packaged securely in moisture-resistant bags or sealed containers. Finally, arrange for comprehensive cargo insurance to protect your valuable shipment against unforeseen transit risks. The final stage involves customs clearance and delivery. Submit all necessary export and import documents to the customs authorities promptly. Be prepared to pay any applicable duties, taxes, and fees in the destination country. Coordinate closely with local agents for efficient port handling and seamless inland transportation to the buyer. Once delivered, confirm receipt with your buyer and finalize all payment procedures to complete the export transaction successfully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.